back to the new video. Today we did some de-anodizing. This is how it came out. It's very weird. One piece totally stayed normal and the black color is still on it. So I don't know why. The other two ones went pretty good. Today I'm gonna give an update on the stuff that happened. I opened up the cases and cleaned them a bit. I did 3 orders, one at Scooter Attack, one at Scoot Fast, and one at Molossi. There will be a whole lot of parts coming in. I already got the first bit of parts, so new bearings, new seals, the breather nipple for the tank, and then the Kickstarter, which I'm busy de-anodizing, so I'll show some footage of that. I found the Torx screwdriver to take the PVL stator of the plate, and the 4 bolts will be, all these bolts still need to be getting titanium. I did a count of how much I saved already. It's around 400 grams just on the bolts, and then 230 grams more by replacing this steel Kickstarter with the new one I'll show you in a bit. I also got some new water hose. So yeah, the cases are not perfect yet. I'm gonna make the flow a bit better here, and then yeah, they're not fully cleaned yet. And the bearings will be ceramic. I got the ones from Scoot Fast because yeah, they were cheaper than the ceramic speed, and ceramic speed is hard to get, so so yeah, I'm busy doing all kinds of stuff. I also got bearings for the hub. See, the bearings here are totally, they have so much friction. See, when you turn it, yeah, it's really bad. And I found one, I checked the SKF bearings, the new ones for them, but they are shit. So then I found this one, and this one is already better, but I need to get the other side too. Just bought one because I bought these 3 and they were shit, so that was lost money. And then I went back and said, hey, these bearings don't have too much friction. And he said, yeah, maybe this will be better. And this one is a bit better, well, a lot better, like already half the friction better. Still not perfect like I wanted, but still not like this one, or like the one in the torsion. This one has the least friction of them all. This is a very good one. It's RS. Took the cylinder off, took all the bearings out of the case. Also got a new needle bearing for the case. Then on this side, yeah, still all in pieces, but we're getting there slowly. The frame is back from powder coating, not powder sandblasting. So the frame is back from sandblasting. Now we'll go to the powder coater Monday. So yeah, this is the frame. It's back from sandblasting. It's pretty nice, and the fork also. So yeah, it's gonna get powder coated now. Monday I'll go to the shop to powder coat it. And this is the fork. took the scale. Let's see how much it weighs. So 10.1 kilograms for the frame. 10.1. Yeah, it would be nice if it's under 10. So maybe drill some holes in it somewhere, or we'll see where I can make it a little bit lighter. Also, it has the cups in it, so and some fasteners on it, and some bolts here. But otherwise, yeah, the sandblasting went pretty good. Just the hard to reach parts here, there's a little bit dirt, but I think I'll just do that manually, clean it. Okay, now let's do the fork. So the fork weighs 3.5 kilograms. Of course, the scale is not so accurate. The scale is not perfect. Wait, yeah, like this. Okay, 3.5 kilograms for the fork. And the frame 10.1. So so this is how the Kickstarter came out. It's in 3 pieces. I just put it in some normal soapy water now, and still need to make it clean, like clean off the. It's a bit dull now when you do the de-anodizing, but then you just take some Scotch-Brite and it will be better. But one piece totally didn't react to the sodic caustic soda. I don't know why, but this anodizing is way different. So maybe I'll have to redo it one more time, or I don't know. It's probably because it's a different metal and a different anodizing. This one didn't react to it. But these ones are pretty easy. After like 20-30 minutes in the caustic soda, most came off, and the rest I'll just do with Scotch-Brite. But all the hard to reach places are pretty good. So yeah, what else? Yeah, so on the cases, all the bearings are out, also the outgoing shaft bearing. The flow will be made better, and it will be sandblasted in the inside, because the sandblast here, the fuel sticks better to, or the oil sticks better to it. Yeah, so this Kickstarter weighs 360 grams. The new one, when I replace these 3 bolts on it in titanium, will be around 130 grams. Then I'm gonna polish the rotor, and I see there was a nick on it, so I don't know, maybe get a new one. Okay, so this is how it came out after a small bit of polishing. Not really finished yet. I could make it shine more, but I don't like it to shine too much. So yeah, looks pretty good. Now I just need the titanium bolts for it, and see how I can make this also gray. It weighs, so let's see, with the steel bolts it weighs 147 grams, and this one was 361 grams. So this is pretty much how it looks after the de-anodizing and some polishing. I already did the head. And yeah, okay, well, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye.